Hi, I'm Archie,
I'm Jodie.
and now that you've got your plates and sticks from the library, we'll show you some ways to start spinning them. So this is the first way to get your plate spinning. With the hand that you don't write, for me that's my left, you hold the stick, and with the hand that you do write, you hold the plate. Carefully place the plate onto the stick so that it's balanced and doesn't fall off. An easy way to do that is make sure that the stick is pointing up to the sky. Then give it a little flick, and if you want to speed it up, brush it a bit, and it's spinning.
So now I'm going to show you another way to start the plate spinning. So you hold the stick in one hand, then you take the plate and keep the stick between your thumb and your finger. Take the plate both sides of your fingers, then spin it like a pizza and catch it on the edge of the stick. And then it's the same as with the other way to get it up. To speed it up, you just lightly hit it. Okay, so I want to teach you another different trick, which is how to balance the plate while it's spinning. So to do this, just start the plate spinning like you normally would, and then hold the plate near the top of the stick, then open your palm like so, place the stick in the middle of your palm, keep your eyes on the plate, and then let go of the hand that's supporting it. And as long as you keep your eyes on the plate, you should be able to balance the plate.
Now it definitely does take a lot of practice to do these tricks. I remember when I first did it, it took me maybe 20 tries to get it spinning, but eventually you'll be able to do it about as well as us, and there's always room for improvement. With good practice, you'll definitely be able to do it very well.
We hope you enjoy plate spinning as much as we do, and have fun.